welcome back to Beauty Over 40. So today I'm doing a collaboration with the beauty group Keeping It Real Fun, which is managed by AgedGraceful. I'm really excited to be able to collaborate with these girls. This will be my first collaboration with these girls and I'm looking forward to it. Definitely make sure you check out all the girls. Send over some yellow hearts and let them know that I sent you over. Alright, if you'd like to see my look, how I created my look, then stay tuned.
I'm down if you're down. Let's ride out right now. We'll go where there ain't no crowds. Somewhere underneath the clouds. I'm down if you're down.
Alright, we're gonna go ahead and get started. I'm gonna pull my hair back because I can't do my makeup with my hair out. It has to be tucked. I do have these turbies available on my website. Definitely check them out. Actually, check out my store. I would really appreciate that. All right, so we're creating a Easter look with the girls of Keeping It Real Fun. Of course, I don't know what palette I want to use, so let's figure that out. Definitely need a transition color. Transition color is always necessary in my book. When I think of Easter colors, I think of something like pastel, and I'm really thinking about actually using this palette here, which is the Blue Moon by Dream Cosmetics. I haven't used this yet. I'm really thinking about this color here, this periwinkle looking color. We shall see. All right, and then I need transition colors, so let's just keep it Dream Cosmetics. Let's pull this out. And of course, we're going to use a transition color. That is right here. Go ahead and prime our eyes. I'm going to use this eyeshadow base by Vibez Cosmetics. Okay, I'm going to put a little of that on just a couple pecks. We're going to get that blended in, and then we're going to apply our transition color. Okay. I love a good transition color because I use transition color almost every day, just on its own. Let's just make something pretty. That's my goal. My plan is just to use one color. Well, as far as the crease color, is just to use one color and then the lid color. But we shall see, right? All right, so I showed you guys the transition color that I'm using. I'm just going to, I'm putting it in the crease, but at an angle. So I'm kind of angling that up toward the front of my brow, as you can see. It's just an option to do instead of doing the, the shape of your eye. Oh, I love that. I love that. I know I said I wasn't. I think I want to darken that up just a little bit. I don't want it too dark because it's spring. I just like a little bit. I want like a really small tapered blending brush because I want to make sure that area is not blown out as much as this, but just kind of like in between. Let's go ahead and stick with Dream Cosmetics and pull out the Silent Killer. I want like a brownish color, but I don't want it too dark. I want like a mid-tone. All right, so let's see what's in here. Okay, so this one right here is a little bit darker, so I'm gonna go for that one. Let's see what that one's gonna do. See how I mean? See what I mean? I could just deepen it up just a little bit. All right, and we're just gonna press that color on our lid and see what happens. Okay. All right, so I went back in with that white base just because I feel it could stick a little bit better. So I'm gonna apply it like right before like it dries out. Let's see how that is. That made it a little bit more vibrant. A lot more vibrant actually. So I'm gonna do the same. Actually, I'm gonna do one at a time. That just goes to show you how important primers are. Like a good eyeshadow base is important. This makes it so vibrant. How about that? Okay. That is so much better. And I see a green here that's catching my eye. I think I want to put some of that on there as well. Okay, I like that. All right. I'm gonna put, I already have some down, so I'm not gonna worry about the transition color down at the bottom. But what I want to do is grab some of these. Don't need the blue because I already have blue on my eye. But look at these. I just wanted like some different colored lines. Some pastel lines. Kind of like, you know, abstract art. And this is what I'll say to the youngins, as they say. Appreciate your eyelid space. You start to lose that after a while, and things just get wrinkled. All right, let's do some mascara and then some lashes. Lash trimmers, these work really great, like one snip. I'm just using that for my lash to trim this off, and it's gone. These are available on my website as well. All right, let's look for definitely a simple lippy. I'll show you guys what I use when I come back, do the hair. Right back. All right, I'm back, and this is my look. I wanted to do something fun, which I haven't really done anything fun and, you know, out of the box in a while. I really wanted something like really abstract, and that's it. So this is what I came up with. Let me know what you guys think about the look. It is definitely that's creative and fun. Definitely not, depends on where you're going. Like, for instance, for me, Easter egg hunt here at my house, this will be fun. So it really just depends on what your plans are for Easter. Obviously, if I was going to church, this would not be a look I would have created. I would have just stopped at the blue and green. black liner, lashes, and that's it. But yeah, this is my look, so make sure you check out all the girls, which I'm so happy to be a part of this group now and have had time to create a video with these beautiful, just beautiful women. And it's nice to be a part of a community that, especially women that are my age, and just as well as the other women that are in a group. It's really really nice to see a group of women really work together and get along and just have fun and play in makeup. So obviously we all wear makeup, but you know, when it comes to these videos and doing things like this, it's for, you know, it's for entertainment. It's help bring our skill level and just have fun and meet people and just engage with you guys. So we really appreciate you guys sticking it out, hanging in there with us. And yeah, I appreciate every one of you guys for watching my videos. So if you're not following me on Instagram and TikTok, give me a follow at LRHMAKEUP, and also my second handle for TikTok, which is _beauty over40. And also, if you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please consider subscribing to my channel, turning on post notifications. That way you'll be notified when I upload new content. That is it for this video, guys. So until next time, remember, the best makeup you can wear is confidence. Bye.